there's a little notch just here, just behind where the key goes, and you put it in there and then you just twist it like that, and what that does, it will then pull the key apart. Now the battery and everything is kept in this particular part here, so if you get your key, put it in here and just lever out like that, you will then see that it comes apart quite nicely. So get yourself a little screwdriver just to pop it out, and remember the way that it came out. So if you have a look there, you can see that it says plus just there. It just clips into place like that really easily. And then when you're pushing it back together, it just all push fits back together. Squeeze it shut like so. Like that. And then to get the front part back on, it will just click into place. There we go.